Hey y'all, this is Southern Honey, and today I would like to share with you a quick cardio burn workout that you can do because there's times during the day that you just can't get that workout in or make it to the gym. Now there's a little time that you may have when you're waiting for your children at practice, in between doctor's appointments, or even at lunch break that you can do this workout. And what it would do is get your heart rate up and give you a good fat burn. So let's get started. Now please, look how beautiful it is out here today. We can enjoy this beautiful day. Now the three exercises that we're going to be doing today are number 1, speed bag, number 2, knee smashes, and number 3, jumping jacks. Now you need to do these back to back. I'd like to do 25, but I'm going to do 10 for demonstration today. First, we're going to do 10 speed bag to each side. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, knee smashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now remember to do 3 sets of that particular exercise, and as you get better or get more advanced, you could do more of those. Thank you. Bye y'all. Now please click on that subscribe button below and a thumbs up like button so that you can get great eating tips and great quick but effective workouts that can be done outside or in the privacy of your own home. And as I always say, all my workouts are to help you get that bikini body or that yoga two scoots bottom. Thank you. Bye y'all.